You sneeze, you blurt out bless you. Why? Because in the Middle Ages, people were absolutely convinced your soul was trying to escape through your nostrils. Talk about a dramatic exit. Respect the ancestors. Let's rewind. Way back before etiquette books existed, a sneeze wasn't just a reflex, it was a spiritual emergency. People thought the sudden expulsion of air was actually your soul kicking down the door. Enter the Black Death. People panicked. Sneezing became the universal red flag. You sneeze once? Congrats, you're dead. You sneeze twice. The undertaker is already polishing your coffin. They needed a solution, so they started yelling blessings. It wasn't about manners. It was a desperate exorcism. You sneeze, we shout God bless you, and hopefully that scares the soul back into your head. Imagine forgetting to say it. In modern times, you just feel awkward. In 1700, you'd feel like you doomed your entire bloodline. The social pressure was absolutely suffocating. Centuries passed. The plague lost its grip, but the phrase stuck around. It went from a life-or-death ritual to a polite noise, like a linguistic ghost that refuses to leave the party. Fast forward to today. We sneeze uncontrollably during awkward moments. Your nose betrays you. You drop the blessing out of pure muscle memory. It's not spiritual. It's just your brain on autopilot. They didn't know about histamines or allergies. They thought the nose was the main highway for spirits. It made zero anatomical sense. But when you're terrified, you don't ask for peer-reviewed studies. We aren't protecting souls anymore. We're just following a script written by panicked ancestors. It's a shared cultural habit, a collective nod to a time when a cough meant you were doomed. So next time you sneeze, don't overthink it. Just roll with it. You don't need to trap a spirit. You just need to respect the ancestors. They survived the plague. You survived the pollen. We're all winners here. But wait, why do people say achoo? If you're wondering about the other sneeze sound, stick around. We're diving into the weird history of noise-making next. Drop a comment if you want that one.